No, I said the road was fun, right? This side the corner was fun. We were cornering through the city. Very dangerous activity. Don't do it.
Yeah, that's why you say first.
Don't do it, Probably you very naughty.
Hey, I never go fast.
Welcome back to another Prof Vlogs.
This is not another purpose, it's the same purpose.
Yeah. So this is day 2 of our riding up to Phuket trip. We are now at our Airbnb at Hat Yai and we'll be checking out after we have our breakfast. We are now packing up all our stuff. I've packed mine, just only. This one's packed his. Wilson, Tapenas, Billy, Bob and packed Kenya too, and
Enough already.
Then is the last one packed. Finished.
A lot of things. I'm too full.
Only got one box with a shaky setup.
I always have side pack here.
Yeah.
In hand, clean already.
Right, so
Make sure your bracket doesn't break. It's a very good tip.
then what do you have to say for that?
Huh?
Make sure, oh, I don't know, bro.
So it's actually being held by hopes and dreams.
Look at how shaky this shit is. Oh my.
Alright guys, don't learn from Ben.
What am I supposed for?
Makes things happen. That's when you break.
So
Dude, I
yeah,
think if
we ordered breakfast from GrabFood, and after we eat we'll be moving off, checking out. Probably now it's 8:28, so probably move out by 9:30. We've got about 6 hours to 7 hours right ahead of us, so yeah.
Hi to that one.
Once we finish settling our bikes, then we'll go and eat.
Then on your tank,
So yeah, I'll probably vlog along the way when we are moving out also. Yeah, so see how then. It's getting a bit noisy here, so let them finish packing. Bye.
Girl, you look good to me. Oh, girl, you look good to me. Oh. ตีหนึ่งไอเข้ามาในเวียงตีหนึ่งไอเข้ามาคูเมืองโอ้โอ้ไอยังมาเลือกใจไอปอบะหันคนเมืองตีหนึ่งไอเข้ามาในเวียงตีหนึ่งไอเข้ามาคูเมืองโอ้โอ้ไอยังมาเลือกใจแต่เลยเปิดไปดูเธอในไลฟ์ดูในสตรีมที่เขาชอบกันมีคนกดของขวัญเอาไปให้เธอตั้งมากมายแต่คนอย่างฉันไม่มีอะไรได้ง่ายๆได้มันคงมีความหมายถ้าฉันได้เจอเธอสักทีรอไรรีบโดนเนสิฉันอยู่ตรงนี้ไงฉันตั้งใจมาพบเธอทั้งที่ฉันขี้อายแล้วเธออยู่ที่ไหนเห็นเธออยู่ที่ไลฟ์ฝันว่าฉันได้พบเธอตอนฉันwanna be mine รอให้เธอมาไลฟ์ให้เธอมาไลฟ์ that's how she goes Girl I ain't gonna lie you look so fine in your video ฉันไม่ทำอะไรนั่งดูเธอไลฟ์ that's how I go Cause I really love your video ไม่เปิดไปดูเธอในไลฟ์ดูในสตรีมที่เขาชอบกันมีคนกดของขวัญ
你拜来哆来咪先。给天到再讲哆来咪先。给力。
Let's go. Look.
干你的。
Thank you.
ชอบกันมีคนกดของขวัญเอาไปให้เธอตั้งมากมายแต่คนอย่างฉันไม่มีอะไรได้ง่ายๆได้มันคงมีความหมายถ้าฉันได้เจอเธอสักทีรอไรรีบโดนเนส With this money ain't gonna lie For this money ain't gonna cry For this money take all your shit and set ฝันดีI'ma die For this music I'ma cry For this music I'll be high For this music โดนให้เธอเด่นเสร็จฝันดีโอ้โอ้เมืองลาไอ้แค่หัวตัวโอ้เมืองลาโอ้โอ้โอ้โอ้เมากันแล้วหัวเรื่องลาเมากันแล้วหัวเรื่องลา
Time check. Time check 10:43. We just reached Route 41 Phatthalung. It's a famous pit stop for Malaysians and Singaporeans traveling north and for Thai people traveling south. Yeah. It's Route 41 Phatthalung. Yeah, we came here once last year when we traveled to Hat Yai. So we came out a bit slightly further north just for the Route 41 Phatthalung. We are parking here for now. Hey, what? Get out of the frame. Oh, sorry Wilson. Wait, your fan's still on, man.
Hot ma.
I'm drinking Pepsi, frozen Pepsi.
Very hot day. It's hotter than Singapore, honestly.
Love it. N2S is here.
Yeah, N2S jersey. Where's the logo? Yeah. N2S. N2S. Where's Phuket is?
Yeah, somewhere here.
Where's Phuket?
Koh Samui is here, Phuket is on the left.
Where?
I think...
Gone already, Phuket.
No.
Inside down here? Inside here?
No, inside your ass
Yeah, never mind, just look at the jersey, nice
Yeah.
right?
Suratani, Koh Samui. Phuket where? There, here. PH, but our logo covered.
Okay. Our logo's covered. Yeah, so 4 of us are wearing the N2S jerseys. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after pit stop here, we need to pump fuel definitely. Then after that, where's the next stop? Don't know. Trang. Trang. Yeah.
Next stop, Singapore. Wow,
Okay, bye Wilson. Next stop, Trang. So we'll pump petrol there and then I think it's another 300 km to Phuket. Yeah. Later I'll vlog some of the some footage inside the Cowboys Hunt Phatthalung. Yep, wow, it's damn hot. Yeah. See you all later at our next pit stop.
Call me Uncle Ill, don't reach young wolf. Talks on you, we love what you do. Call me Uncle Ill, don't reach young wolf. Bro, into my life, that's how she goes. Girl, I ain't gonna lie, you look so fine in your video. Show me to my right and do to life, that's how I go. Cause I really love your video, I really love. ตีหนึ่งไอเข้ามาในเวียงตีหนึ่งไอเข้ามาคูเมืองโอ้ไอยังมาเลือกใจไอปอบะหันคนเมืองตีหนึ่งไอเข้ามาในเวียงตีหนึ่งไอเข้ามาคูเมืองโอ้ไอยังมาเลือกใจแต่
This is where we ate last time when we came to Route 41. Yeah. This is my place. And the other side is a shop. We just took our photos. The bikers that are leaving also just took their photos. Yeah, and we'll be leaving now. Gonna pump at the nearest petrol kiosk that we find and then continue on our way to Phuket. I think we probably have to make about 2 more stops before to pump petrol lah. Then we can reach our villa at Phuket. Yep, so I'm gonna wear my helmet and make a move. See y'all at the next petrol stop.
เลยเปิดไปดูเธอในไลฟ์ดูในสตรีมที่เขาชอบกันมีคนกับของขวัญเอาไปให้เธอตั้งมากมายแต่คนอย่างฉันไม่มีอะไรได้มาง่ายได้มันคงมีความหมายถ้าฉันได้เจอเธอสักทีก็ไรรีบโดนเนส They've been sleeping on me
หูบอตั้งแต่มือที่เจ้านั้นย่างเข้ามาเจ้าหูบอนอน้องลาว่าปานฟ้าเปิดป้องส่องทางให้ที่ผ่านมา
We're now at a petrol kiosk at Krabi there. This is our second stop after Route 41. So we've just pumped the petrol and resting for about 10 to 15 minutes before we head off. We will finish Krabi and Where's our next stop at, Osha? Where's our next stop at?
Another 60 km.
Another 60 km, then we will stop again.
Not very sticky. S22 not sticky.
How's the right so far?
Even though I go corner all my bike not sticky. But it's firm. What?
How's the right so far?
The corner was fun. Never expect that Thailand was to be so good. Wow, that's how we went up the slope, went up the hill. Suddenly they say 8-degree decline. Boom, drop, I can feel like, oh, fucking show, fucking fun. Highly recommend.
Fuck. I wanted to corner, but then someone was in front of me. Jamming the brakes. Hey, what do you mean?
I tell you to take over, they over.
I look at you.
I see some certain NC7 keep pressing the brake, keep pressing the brake.
From behind come to me.
You overtake him what? You're not behind him what?
Oh, just now you also, I in front of you, also never act. You're not low enough, bro. You're not watching it.
No, but the one part I saw Krabi.
Am I? Safety first, safety first.
Yeah, thank you. I haven't.
Okay lah. Then I'll vlog again when we're at the next pit stop. Hopefully. If not, the next vlog will be at our Airbnb already. Yep. See y'all there.
สู้บ่ไหวโชคดีที่ชีวิตอายมีเจ้าเข้ามาประคองสิยกให้น้องเมื่อทั้งหัวใจของอายดวงนี้ก็จักว่าบุญที่มีสิหนุนส่งอายได้สำได้หลายครั้งที่เจอปัญหายังพากันก้าวผ่านพ้นนี่เจ้าเป็นคนคอยให้กำลังใจยิ่งนานเท่าไรก็ยิ่งมั่นใจในคำ
The glow is terrible. You can drop the bike on there.
Someone will
just
go.
ride. Huh?
Someone will go. Maybe he rides slowly. I don't know what to do.
Oh, you go slowly lah.
We are now at Caltex. Second last stop. The next stop will be straight to our villa already. Yeah. Time check is 5:07. We are at the second last stop of Phuket journey. Sorry, let me get away from Prasan's bike. His bike is having some issues. There was a loud, like groaning sound or something from his coolant reservoir. So yeah, he's talking to the mechanic on the phone and trying to troubleshoot the issue.
You can send me your friend the shop location.
Yeah, probably ride slowly over to the mechanic's friend's shop that is in Phuket. Yeah, hopefully it's not a big issue. Since he didn't want to come to Phuket because of his jigsaw being in the workshop. But we told him to come check for 4. Yeah, hope it's not a big issue. Yeah, so now next stop will be our Airbnb. Yeah. So bikes here. There's our member and Jason's bike. Yeah. Ben, how are you?
I'm feeling okay. That's a bit scary just now.
Why the B road?
Too much bends.
Too much what?
Bends.
Too much bends.
One bend here.
Hey! Oh, but the bends here, that was fun, hitting it. But I was a bit scared too because like it's country roads and then some, like suddenly from the side, one motorbike will come and turn into the road. Then we have to slow down, jam our brakes sometimes. Okay lah, it's good training for e-brakes.
Safety first, I think.
Safety.
Do what
Of course, safety first.
you can. Anyway, for this, I have a theory. Yeah, I think the theory is that because it's too hot, right, the engine it expanded too much, so there's some space. So naturally, the engine oil will leak out.
Makes sense, but Ben is not a mechanic, so we don't know. The man himself.
Try to keep up with class 2 bikes.
That's why I wanted you to slow down. You keep what? Clear meter, how many times did you clear meter?
Yeah? Just now I said the road was fun, right? This side the corner was fun. You were cornering through the city. Very dangerous activity.
Then
Don't do it.
Yeah, that's why I
Don't
said
do it.
first.
Don't do it, Probably you very naughty.
Hey, I never go fast, dude. Only Wilson every time keeps going off.
How can I go fast? The bike so heavy, so slow.
Yeah.
You were ahead of us.
Yeah.
Like giving us a 2 km gap.
Guys, I was ahead only at the last minute because I'm the lead rider.
He last minute enjoy. We whole time playing, he just play the last few stretch.
I wasn't playing, I got billion.
But the view was damn nice.
He excused himself already. Okay lah, catch you all at the Airbnb then. Bye.
ให้สายเน้นเพิ่นจ้องน้ำสองเฮาใส่กันแน่เด้อศาสตร์นี้เฮาได้พบเจอแล้วกะบ่อยากจากจรไปใส่ให้สายเน้นเพิ่นสู้คำลำแยงหักแพงกันตลอดไปขอพลาบุญปันแต่งหายเป็นคู่กันไปตลอดชีวิตบ่มีคำสัญญาใดๆมีแค่หักจากหัวใจสิยกให้เจ้าเบิดชีวิตอาย
So yeah, that's about it. I think I'll end the Airbnb tour here, so we can go and unpack. See you later. Probably, yeah, Prasan needs to head to the workshop. So that's that. Let me on the lights here. No. Can you touch your paw? Okay. We'll touch your head now. So I think I'll end the vlog here. We're all tired. It's like evening time already. Shower and then probably head out for dinner or probably order in now. Check out the views. And this pool is also a salt pool, so that's quite unique also. Yeah. Yes, Ben. Why are you filming?
Prasan, you talk a lot, Prasan. Sorry, Praveen.
Bitch! Get out of here! I'm gonna end the vlog here. Bye, guys. Hey guys, I forgot the vlog. We were eating dinner just now, and I just realized I brought my GoPro with me. So yeah, there won't be any footage for our dinner. But we ate at a restaurant called Mukmani Restaurant. So, yep. If y'all want to check it out, y'all can come over to Phuket and check it out. Probably end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for day 3.
ให้ได้เป็นคู่สมดังมโนหมายได้ฮักกันแล้วก็บ่อยาก